Nevermind is a European Union Horizon 2020 funded research and innovation program, which is being delivered by an international consortium of partners with expertise across a number of disciplines, including software engineers, psychologists, computational scientists, and biological scientists. The mission of the project is to provide a multifaceted and clinically proven solution to the problem of depression related to a serious somatic disease by empowering sufferers to self-manage their condition. The Università di Pisa is coordinating the project and are the clinical research site for kidney disease. The University of Turin is the clinical research site for cancer. AIFDM is the clinical research site for amputees. The Karolinska Institute is the clinical data analysis partner. The University of Essex has developed the artificial intelligence algorithms for Nevermind. The University Politecnica de Madrid is focused on app development. SmartX is an Italian company specializing in the implementation and integration of wearable monitoring systems. Inventia is a leading innovation company based in the UK, specializing in the commercialization and exploitation of innovation. Gaia is a public health company that specializes in the development of e-health and m-health interventions. Nevermind empowers people to take control of their mental health. It is aimed at individuals who have somatic conditions and are more prone to suffer from depression. The app, which is available in a number of European languages, allow users to manage their mental health. Combined with the power of data and backed up by healthcare practitioners.
My name's David Richmond. I'm leading the innovation and consultancy group at Inventia, based in the UK. Inventia is a leading innovation company, and we specialise in helping other organisations to commercialise and launch their innovations into the marketplace. Nevermind was created to address the lack of real-time support for sufferers of chronic mental health conditions. Chronic somatic conditions and depression are tightly linked, and sufferers of chronic conditions are highly likely to develop depressive symptoms later on. Currently available treatment is suboptimal, and long waiting times are common. Some patients are waiting over a year to get an appointment. Depression, directly and indirectly, is estimated to have a global cost of $800 billion. There's therefore a need for evidence-based, clinically effective prevention tool to help with the detection and management of depression in chronic illnesses.
What is the solution? The solution, comprising of a smartphone app, wearable smart sensing monitoring devices, and a decision support system. Wearable monitoring devices play a significant part in the Nevermind system, and SmartX has developed a patient-specific wearable monitoring system which consists of a shirt with textile sensors that are able to detect various physiological parameters, including cardiac and respiratory signals. The data is collected via a data logger and fed into the Nevermind system for analysis and feedback. How does Nevermind work?
My name is Luca Citti. I'm a professor at the University of Essex. Good mental health is essential to the social and emotional well-being of individuals, families, and society. Patients that have been recently diagnosed with a major somatic disease like cancer or kidney failure, they're particularly vulnerable to the development of depression. Such a complex problem can only be addressed through multidisciplinary research. So our algorithms use physiological data as well as self-reported well-being questionnaires that are collected daily by means of our Nevermind mobile app. As new data are collected, the model parameters are adjusted in order to improve the accuracy and reliability of our predictions. So because our algorithm is probabilistic in nature, it can not only predict the most likely future trend, but also give us a measure of uncertainty around it. Another peculiar aspect of our algorithm is that it uses an approach called transfer learning to maximize the trade-off between building personalized models and making the best use of all data available. So when a new patient joins the study, we have very little data for that participant, for that patient, that we can learn from. So what we do instead is we borrow information from other patients for which we have more data. So how much we borrow from each other patient depends on a measure of similarity between the two patients, which is based on the emotional profile of the two patients, which is assessed during pre-enrollment.
Luca discusses the intricacies of the AI and machine learning, but in a nutshell, the app learns from the patient interaction and enables tailored advice to help them manage their condition. This provides the patient with the ability to self-manage their condition. The ultimate goal is to improve patient outcomes and mental health. But Nevermind can also save time for doctors and healthcare practitioners to focus their time where it is really needed. Nevermind underwent a series of clinical tests to explore the effectiveness of interventions on patients suffering from depression through somatic conditions. The project demonstrated that the Nevermind intervention decreased depressive symptoms significantly in the 5 somatic disease areas included in the clinical studies. The chart shows the outcomes of the study and demonstrates that the follow-up intervention of Nevermind produced statistically significant lower levels of depression in the studies. Accordingly, the consortium has demonstrated that Nevermind was successful in its aims, and the project now seeks to exploit the outcomes by attracting the interest of healthcare organizations and professionals. This is an exciting time for the project, as the results have demonstrated that the Nevermind system has a lot to offer patients who are struggling with depressive symptoms.
It has definitely improved my issue related to a disrupted sleep, which I have solved through mindfulness. Moreover, it has helped me, and it is still helping me, through tough moments by focusing on other things, on relaxation, etc.
When I was offered this experience, I tried to leave aside my beliefs regarding the fact that help couldn't come from the outside, trying to carry out the suggested activities at my best. I have to admit that with time, I gained pleasurable relaxation. I also gained benefit from the initial meeting with the psychologists and other patients that have allowed me to get close to what I was living, also from an emotional perspective. At the end of the research, I noticed a sort of tranquility in relation to my illness and to what it entailed. I got my job and my life back.
The Nevermind project now seeks to attract healthcare organizations and professionals to exploit the outcomes of the project. If you are a healthcare professional and are interested in learning more, please visit the Nevermind website and complete the contact form at www.marketing-nevermind.eu/contact us.